In the vast expanse of the western North Atlantic Ocean lies a region that has captured the human imagination for decades. Bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this infamous stretch of water is known to the world as the Bermuda Triangle. For years, it has been the subject of countless stories, a place where ships, planes, and people are said to have vanished without a trace. The legend dates back centuries, with some even pointing to Christopher Columbus's log from 1492, where he noted strange compass behavior and a great flame of fire crashing into the sea. But the mystery truly took hold in the 20th century as a series of unexplained disappearances fueled a global phenomenon. What forces are at work in the Devil's Triangle? The theories are as vast as the ocean itself. Some whisper of alien abductions, suggesting that extraterrestrials use the area as a harvesting zone, plucking vessels from the sea and sky. Others believe it's a gateway to another dimension, a time warp that swallows travelers whole. A popular myth suggests the triangle sits atop the submerged ruins of the lost city of Atlantis, its powerful energy crystals still active and causing catastrophic navigational failures. Seafaring lore speaks of monstrous creatures and giant whirlpools, while some even propose it as a gateway to hell itself. However, science offers a different perspective. The area is one of the busiest shipping and flight corridors in the world. Statistically, more traffic means a higher likelihood of accidents. Furthermore, the region is notorious for its volatile and unpredictable weather. It's a hurricane alley, prone to sudden, violent storms and massive rogue waves that can overwhelm even the largest vessels. The powerful Gulf Stream current creates rapid, sometimes violent, changes in weather that can disorient the most experienced pilots and sailors. There are also geological explanations. Some scientists have proposed that massive eruptions of methane gas from the ocean floor could be the culprit. These oceanic flatulence events could create a frothy, low-density area of water where ships would instantly lose buoyancy and sink. This gas, upon reaching the atmosphere, could also ignite, potentially explaining the fireballs reported by some witnesses. Another theory points to unique magnetic anomalies in the region where a compass might point to true north instead of magnetic north, leading to critical navigational errors. In the modern era of GPS, advanced weather forecasting, and satellite monitoring, the so-called mystery of the Bermuda Triangle has begun to fade. Many of the most famous incidents have been re-examined and found to be embellished or to have logical explanations rooted in mechanical failure and human error. While it remains a captivating topic for storytelling, the Bermuda Triangle is no more mysterious or dangerous than any other treacherous part of the world's oceans. The legend persists, not because of supernatural forces, but because of our own human curiosity and our enduring love for a good mystery. The Bermuda Triangle. For decades, this patch of the Atlantic Ocean has captured our imagination, a place synonymous with mystery and unexplained disappearances. Today, we delve into two of its most iconic cases, separating fact from fiction and exploring the enduring enigma. Our first story begins on December 5, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers, collectively known as Flight 19, took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for a routine training exercise. The mission was simple, a 3-leg flight over the ocean and back. The weather was clear, and the pilots were experienced. Yet, a few hours into the flight, something went terribly wrong. Radio transmissions revealed the flight leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, was disoriented. He reported that both of his compasses were failing and he couldn't identify his location. He believed they were somewhere over the Florida Keys, but ground control knew they were far out over the Atlantic. Confusingly, Taylor overruled a junior pilot who correctly suggested they fly west toward the setting sun, which would have brought them back to land. Instead, he led his flight deeper into the open ocean. As fuel ran low and daylight faded, the final garbled transmissions from Flight 19 were picked up. Then, silence. An immediate and massive search operation was launched. Tragically, a Martin Mariner seaplane sent out to find the missing bombers with 13 crew members aboard also vanished without a trace. After a few minutes in the air, it simply disappeared from radar. No wreckage, no debris, no survivors from Flight 19 or the rescue plane were ever found. 14 men on the initial flight and 13 on the rescue mission gone. Years earlier, another naval vessel met a similar fate. In March 1918, during the final year of World War I, the USS Cyclops, a massive collier ship, set sail from Brazil to Baltimore. It was carrying over 10,000 tons of manganese ore and 306 crew and passengers. The ship made an unscheduled stop in Barbados, but then departed on March 4th. It was never seen again. The Cyclops was a powerful vessel equipped with a radio, but it never sent out a distress signal. The weather in its path was reportedly calm. An extensive sea search turned up absolutely nothing. No lifeboats, no debris, not even an oil slick. It was as if the 542-foot ship had simply been plucked from the surface of the sea. The theories surrounding these disappearances are as vast as the ocean itself. Some suggest rogue waves, sudden storms, or human error. Others point to magnetic anomalies that could disrupt navigation equipment. And of course, there are the more sensational ideas involving time warps or otherworldly forces. What truly happened to the men of Flight 19 and the USS Cyclops? The official records list them as lost at sea, causes unknown. The ocean keeps its secrets well, and the Bermuda Triangle remains a chilling reminder of the unsolved mysteries that lie beneath the waves. The stories of these lost souls continue to haunt us, their final moments forever shrouded in the enigmatic silence of the deep. Thanks for watching.